You know how sometimes you walk into your bathroom and there's this funky smell that just won't go away? Today, we'll dive into the reasons behind this unpleasant odor and share some tips on how to fix it. Get rid of it! First things first, let's understand why your shower drain smells in the first place. There are a few common reasons, and they can be grouped into three main categories: biological, chemical, and mechanical. Let's take a closer look at each of these. 1. Biological causes and solutions. Biological causes include things like mold, mildew, and bacteria. These thrive in the warm, damp environment of your shower drain. They feed on hair, soap scum, and other organic material that gets washed down the drain. As they grow, they produce a foul-smelling gas called hydrogen sulfide, which is responsible for that rotten egg smell. To tackle smelly shower drains caused by biological factors, regular cleaning is crucial. Follow these steps to keep your drain clean and odor-free. Gather supplies: rubber gloves, drain brush or toothbrush, baking soda, white vinegar, hot water, and a container. Remove the drain cover, using a screwdriver if necessary. Clean the drain cover by rinsing it under warm water and scrubbing away debris with a brush, then set the drain cover aside. Clean the drain by scrubbing the inside, removing hair and debris. Use a bent coat hanger or long brush for hard-to-reach areas. Pour half a cup of baking soda down the drain, followed by 1 cup of white vinegar, and let the mixture work for 15 minutes. Flush the drain with a gallon of hot water to remove loosened debris and residue. Replace the drain cover, securing it with screws if needed. Another effective method to prevent smelly drains is using a drain hair catcher. Choose the right hair catcher that fits your shower drain size and shape, with small holes or mesh design. Install the hair catcher by placing it snugly over the drain opening. Some catchers have suction cups or other mechanisms to hold them in place. Regularly check and clean the hair catcher to ensure its effectiveness. Remove accumulated hair and debris and rinse it under warm water. Clean it after each shower or every few days, depending on the design. Maintaining a clean shower drain is an ongoing process. Regular cleaning and using a drain hair catcher will prevent unpleasant odors and keep your bathroom smelling fresh. 2. Chemical causes and solutions. Chemical causes involve reactions between different substances in your drain. For example, when hard water mixes with soap, it can create a stubborn residue known as soap scum. This buildup can trap dirt and grime, leading to unpleasant odors. Installing a water softener or using a vinegar solution to dissolve soap scum can help keep your drain smelling fresh. To do this, choose a water softener system suitable for your home and follow the manufacturer's installation instructions. Typically, you'll connect the softener to your main water line, add the necessary salts, and set the regeneration schedule. Softened water will help prevent soap scum formation, keeping your drain smelling fresh. For a simpler solution, you can use a vinegar solution to dissolve soap scum. Mix equal parts of white vinegar and warm water in a spray bottle. Spray the solution on the surfaces of your shower, including the drain and surrounding area. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes to break down the soap scum. Then, scrub the surfaces with a non-abrasive brush or sponge and rinse thoroughly with water. To maintain a clean and fresh-smelling drain, use this vinegar solution regularly as part of your bathroom cleaning routine. 3. Mechanical causes and solutions. Lastly, mechanical causes are related to the plumbing system itself. A common issue is a dried-out P-trap, which is designed to hold water and block sewer gases from entering your home. If the water in the P-trap evaporates, sewer gases can escape and cause a bad smell. To fix this, follow these simple steps. Turn on the faucet or shower head, letting water flow into the drain for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. This will allow enough water to pass through the drain pipe and fill the P-trap. If you suspect that the P-trap has been dry for an extended period, you can pour a mixture of 1 cup white vinegar and 1 cup baking soda down the drain. This will help eliminate any remaining odor-causing residues in the drain pipe. Wait for 15 to 20 minutes before proceeding to the next step. Flush the drain pipe with hot water for another 30 seconds to 1 minute to wash away the vinegar and baking soda solution. Refilling the P-trap will reestablish the water seal, preventing sewer gases from escaping and eliminating the source of unpleasant odors. To avoid a dried-out P-trap in the future, run water down the drain for a brief period at least once a week or whenever you notice a lingering smell. So there you have it, folks. Your shower drain smell could be due to biological, chemical, or mechanical causes. Keeping your drain clean, addressing hard water issues, and maintaining your plumbing system can help prevent those nasty odors. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, share, and leave a comment below. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you liked it and found it useful. If so, please like, share, and comment to let me know what you thought. Your feedback is important to me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos.